गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज हम क्वेश्चन 3A करेंगे, एक्सरसाइज 18B का। ठीक है, टुडे वी स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन 3A फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 18B। ठीक है, दिस इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल लाइक अ क्वेश्चन 2. You already do the question 2 where 3 sides are given and 2 angles are given. Now we go to the question 3A. Firstly, we draw PQ because P and Q two angles are given. Then I draw firstly PQ equal to 2 centimeter. P and Q कितना? How? 2 centimeter. Draw a line of PQ as 2 centimeter with the help of scale. Okay. Now we construct the angle P equal to 90 degree at P. Okay. So how to make an angle of 90 degree? You already know that how to make angle of 90 degree with the help of compass and ruler. Now again we draw the 90 degree angle at P. Firstly we put pointer of compass on P and draw an arc which is cut on line PQ. Okay. After this, where this is cut, we put the pointer here and draw an arc, and then again I draw an arc with this point. Okay, this cut is for 60 degree and this is for 120 degree. Now the 90 degree is the bisector of 60 and 120. Now put the compass here and draw an arc, and now again put the pointer here and draw an arc. ठीक है. Now draw a line, and this which angle is found here? 90 degree. This is 90 degree angle. Okay. Understand? क्या किया हमने? सबसे पहले PQ लाइन खींची, ड्रॉ करी, then put the compass here and draw an arc, and put here pointer of compass and draw another arc, and then put here and draw another arc, and find the angle bisector of these two angles, which is the 90 degree. Okay. Now we go to the Q, where we draw the angle Q equal to 120 degree. So now put here the pointer of the compass and draw an arc. Okay. After this, put pointer here and draw an arc, and again put the pointer here and draw an arc. See? Now draw a line with the help of scale. ठीक है. This is which angle is fine? 120 degree. This is 60. This is 120. Okay. Now we know that PQ equal to 2 centimeter is draw, 90 degree draw, and angle Q is draw. Now go to the QR point. Here is Q. Now take a value of QR equal to 3.6 centimeter with the help of the scale, and put here the pointer of the compass and cut the 3.6. मान लो this is 3.6 degree, this is 3.6 centimeter. Okay. This intersection point is R. Okay. Now this is completed. Now PS, draw the PS equal to 3.2 centimeter. So take a pointer here at a P and measure the 3.2 by the scale, and put the pointer here P and draw an arc which is 3.2 centimeter. Okay, and draw the line. This intersection point is called S, because PS, we draw the PS. Okay, this is S, this is R. Now make a line from S to R. ठीक है, with the help of scale. Now required quadrilateral PQRS is formed. Okay, step of construction के लिए now we put here steps of construction for question 3A. Okay, like this you write the steps of construction for question 3B. Only I write here steps of construction for 3A, not 3B. Okay, तो write the steps of construction for 3A. अब देखो हम स्टेप्स क्या है हमारे. स्टेप 1 में क्या लिखेंगे, ड्रा अ लाइन पी क्यू इक्वल टू 2 सेंटीमीटर. स्टेप 1 हो गया. उसके बाद हमने क्या किया था, स्टेप 2 में हमने एंगल ड्रॉ करा. तो स्टेप 2 में हम क्या लिख देंगे, राइट मेक एन एंगल P इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री एंड एंगल Q इक्वल टू 120 डिग्री with the help of compass and ruler. Okay, now go to the step 3. Now draw an arc of 3.6 centimeter. Take Q as a center which cut on R. Now go to the step 4. Now an arc of draw. Now यहाँ पर लिखेंगे draw. Now draw an arc of 3.2 centimeter. Take P as center which cut on S. Okay. Step 5. Draw line SR. Now required quadrilateral PQRS is formed. These are the steps of the third A question. Okay. Now we go to the third B. Okay. अब हम थर्ड का बी पार्ट पढ़ेंगे, जिसमें गिवन है PQ इक्वल टू QR इक्वल टू RS इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर. Angle Q equal to angle R equal to 90 degree. How many? PQ, QR and RS are all 5 centimeters and Q angle is also 90 degree and R is also 90 degree angle. Firstly we draw the QR which is 5 centimeter with the help of scale. Okay, scale के through 5 सेंटीमीटर ड्रॉ किया. नाउ वी गो टू द एंगल Q. एंगल Q इज 90 डिग्री. तो मैं हाउ टू मेक, अभी हमने बनाया है. हाउ टू मेक, फर्स्टली टेक पॉइंटर, पुट ऑन अ Q and draw an R which is cut on QR line. Now put pointer here and cut an R. Now again put pointer here and cut an R and bisect these two angles. Draw an R and put here and draw another R. ठीक, and draw another R. Okay. Now draw a line which construct the angle of 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay. Now we go to the at R. Put pointer here because we also are another 90 degree draw करना है. Okay. Now put here, cut and intersect and bisect these two angles. Then we find the 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree also. Q and R angle बन गए. Now we go to the Q और P. PQ बना सकते हैं. तो PQ के लिए हमने क्या नापा, PQ. Measure the PQ equal to 5 centimeter by the help of the scale and put pointer on Q and draw an R. This is 5 centimeter. Now we go to the next R. RS is also 5 centimeter. Then draw an R. Or this is R or this is S. Now draw an line. Okay. All are 5 centimeter. So this is square. Quadrilateral किस टाइप का बना? This is square. Because all sides are equal. If this is 5, this is also 5. अगर you measure it RS, this is also find as 5 centimeter. Okay. तो नाउ वी गो टू द, तो क्या कहेंगे, रिक्वायर्ड क्वाड्रिलेटरल, जो कि हमें किस फॉर्मेट का मिला, स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर इज फॉर्म्ड. ओके, स्टेप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन आप थर्ड ए की तरीके ही लिखेंगे. ओके, राइट द स्टेप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन एज लाइक अ ए पार्ट. ओके.